I love this faucet. I love the brushed nickel. It has 3 settings. I'll show you here: stream, spray, and pause. So look, I'm going to show you right there. I better not let go. Okay, here I go. Now I can release it, and there it is. Okay, now a couple of things that you should know. We had a professional install our faucet. I used air quotes because this is actually supposed to go on the right side, and I can move it over there if I want to, but the problem is that it just, everything gets twisted underneath the sink, so I just don't think I should be doing that. So I'm used to it being on the left. I'm fine with that, but just so you know, when you install it, it's actually supposed to go on the right. This actually goes 360 degrees all the way around, but obviously I can't show you that because the wall is in the way. And this base here, that is another thing our professional had put in, and he didn't need to, and I wish he didn't, because it's crooked. It has to be crooked because there's just not enough room over on this side. But yeah, that base didn't need to be there. So just so you know, if you got kind of the same setup I do, you don't need the base, and make sure that this goes on the right side. Oh, and it goes all the way down. I love that. So you can get really close to the sink to just clean it properly. So it's used with a weight, not a magnet, so it just goes right back up. It's really efficient that way. I love this faucet. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy discovering hidden gems on Amazon and want to see more product reviews, subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for more amazing Amazon finds.